Welcome back to the SDC Knowledge series, where we simplify Revit tools that support better design decisions and clearer coordination. I'm Namrata, and in today's episode, we're focusing on solar studies in Revit, a powerful feature used to understand sunlight behavior, shadow impact, and daylight conditions throughout the day and year. Solar studies help architects and BIM teams validate design intent, optimize window placement, and communicate environmental performance clearly. To explain how this works in practice, I am joined by our BIM manager Dilip. Welcome, Dilip. What is a solar study in Revit and why is it important?
A solar study in Revit simulates how sunlight and shadows move across a building based on real world location, date, and time. It allows us to visually understand daylight exposure, shading impact, and shadow behavior before construction. Instead of guessing how sunlight affects a space, solar studies give us visual evidence to support design decisions.
What types of solar studies can we create in Revit?
Revit offers multiple study types. Still image shows sun position at a specific date and time. Single day study animates sun movement from sunrise to sunset. Multi day study compares sun paths across different seasons. Lighting study manual sun control for conceptual exploration. Each type serves a different purpose, from quick checks to detailed environmental analysis.
How do location, date, and time affect solar study accuracy?
They are essential. Revit calculates sun position using geographic location and weather data. If the project location or date is incorrect, shadows and sunlight will not represent real conditions. Correct settings ensure accurate shadow lengths, realistic daylight behavior, and reliable results, especially for facade design and shading strategies.
Can solar studies support interior design and client presentations?
Definitely. Solar studies work in both exterior and interior camera views. For interiors, they help evaluate daylight penetration, glare, and room brightness at different times of the day. For presentations, animated solar studies communicate design intent clearly. Clients instantly understand how sunlight interacts with the building.
So today we learned solar studies visualize real-world sunlight behavior. Different study types support different design needs. Accurate location and time settings are critical. Solar studies improve both design decisions and client communication. Dilip, thank you for sharing your insights. And to our listeners, sunlight is a design element. Use solar studies early, use them wisely, and let data guide your design. Stay tuned for the next episode of the SDC Knowledge series.